Hey there, Danielle. I am so sorry about the delay. I'm gonna try not to delay anymore. I've had technical difficulties. I think everything's figured out. I think we're good to go. I'm gonna make this a quick video. I'll probably send you maybe a couple videos. I don't know for certain because I'm already having technical difficulties here. Okay, hang on. Okay. This is what we get when we start out. This is the first screen that you see. And by the way, this is because I'm on the computer, so things may look a little bit different, but it'll be okay. It should be pretty much the same. So you're going to start out with the add-ons page, and this pretty much gives you access to everything that you need. The rest of the stuff is just basically shortcuts. Everything else on all the other pages is basically just shortcuts to within the add-ons. You have your music add-ons, your program add-ons, and your video add-ons. Program add-ons you're not really going to use. They're for the operating system. They're just to keep things running. They're to update things to their dependencies that make other add-ons run the way they need to run. Music add-ons or just add-ons for if you want to listen to music. There's add-ons within it that will allow you to listen to pretty much every song there is. Video add-ons is really the most important. It's what has everything. So we go to it, we select it, and we see all of our add-ons here. It'll usually probably start out up here at the top. Like this is a sports add-on. This is a really good movie add-on. This is of course a good add-on for watching UFC, either pre-recorded or live pay-per-view events. And then we have down here, we want to get to an important one, which is Exodus. Exodus is a really good add-on for watching pre-recorded, anything old or anything new that is a TV show, a movie, anything that you can think of. You can usually pretty much find it on Exodus. You may be able to find it in 1080p, 720p, or it may just be standard, but either way, they're always watchable, and it's usually your most reliable source. We'll hit enter, and then we'll hit open, and we'll open it, and we will go back, because we already had this open, and we can do this, we can go back by either hitting this up here, or by clicking the back button on our remote, which I don't have, because I'm on the computer, but on the remote we can click the back button and go back. So we go back, and when we click Exodus from the main screen, if we go to add-ons to this screen here, and we click it and we open it, then we're going to get this screen every time. If we do that, we will get movies, TV shows, and so we go to movies, and then we can choose from all these different categories. We can genres, years. I mean, it's self-explanatory in this part. And so let's say that we know a year that we really love a movie from. Let's say that's 2004. So we'll go to 2004. And then once we open this list, it'll be a list from the most popular movies from that year from top to bottom. So The Incredibles, it turns out, was the most popular movie. So we will click The Incredibles then. Now we will get providers. And this is where Kodi is going out, or rather Exodus is going out and finding providers who have servers that have sources to this movie in the cloud. That they have, it's stored somewhere on a server in the cloud, and it's went out and it's found it. So it's found it from Y Movies, Putlocker, and that's it for the top 13. But as we can see, there's lots and lots of options. But these don't have anything by them because these are just standard definition. The top ones will always be your highest definition. Not everything will be in 1080p. Not everything will even be in HD. It may just be in standard. But it often still looks very good. So we just, now this is the last step. We're where we need to be. These are just our sources. If one doesn't work, the way that Exodus works is that it just, you play the first one, and if it doesn't work, it tries the second one, the third one, the fourth one until it works. Now sometimes it will stop and you have to manually click it again. So like it may start on 1, get all the way to 7 and stop, and then nothing happens. So then you just need to start on 8, and then it'll continue on. But in this case, Y Movies is a very, very reliable source. It's almost guaranteed to play with only a couple seconds. We won't be able to watch but a couple seconds of it though. So there you see that it's playing. We can let it play the little Disney thing, but then we need to stop for copyright infringement reasons. So that is Exodus. That's how everything within Exodus works. Every single thing that you click on within Exodus will be like that. A lot of other add-ons will look somewhat similar as well. Zen is very similar. See, we open it up, we see movies. The categories will be a little bit different though, and we'll see different things. But here we can see a brand new movie that's just come out. Logan, we click on it, and this looks a little bit different now when it's loading up our sources, but it's still basically the same thing. Usually we want to go ahead and let this play out, let it go all the way out until it's completely done, and it'll stop at about 35 seconds. We can hit cancel if we have really good internet. By really good internet is usually 24 megabytes per second or faster. You can hit cancel and your sources are probably good enough. And as you can see, we've at least got some 720p sources for a movie that just came out in theaters a week or so ago. So then we click the top one, and boom, we play right away. Not 100% great quality, but still pretty good quality. So we're going to stop that. And that is, in a nutshell, Exodus. That's how it will be for everything within of Exodus. Now, I'm going to stop this video and send it to you to at least explain that part to you, and then I'm going to send you another video, or link to another video that is going to explain the warnings, kind of what they meant, and I'm going to go over the other pages and the shortcuts and what some of those things do. So I'll send you this video, and then I will send you that video soon after, because I still need to make it. But I wanted to at least get you something, let you know that I have not forgot about you, and again, I'm very sorry for the delay. I hope this helps, at least on being able to watch some movies, and I hope that you're able to enjoy it a lot more after this. So be on the lookout for the other video, and have a good night.